Hi, Madame Minima here. In this video I'm showing you how I clean and declutter my fridge. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Pats, I'm a mom of 5, nice to meet you. On this channel I post every Sunday videos about a simple, minimalist, zero-waste family life. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, glad to have you here again. So in this video I take you along while I am cleaning and decluttering our fridge, and I hope I can motivate you to clean and declutter your fridge too. But before we get into it, please give this video a thumbs up. This will support my channel, and maybe consider hitting that subscribe button down below. And with that being said, let's get started. I took the opportunity that hubby had gone out to do grocery shopping to clean and declutter the fridge. We are a family of 7 and there are so many hands going in and out of this small fridge that it has gotten all over the place. So it was time to tackle this project. I started with the door and I removed everything. All the bottles and plastic containers had to go. Then I literally took absolutely everything out of the fridge. If it is very hot when you do this, you can use a cooler for the super perishable stuff. Now you can see how gross our fridge really was. Then I wiped everything down. I just used water with a splash of dish soap and vinegar. Of course, don't forget the rubber seals. For persistent stains, I sprinkled some baking soda and scrubbed with an old toothbrush. Wiped clean with a little bit of water, and don't forget to dry thoroughly. My tip: to make the cleaning of the drawers easier and to avoid a big mess in your kitchen, take everything outside in your driveway or on your patio and clean it there. While the drawers and containers were drying outside, it was time to go through all the food that I had taken out of the fridge. And as always, I made 3 piles. One for the food that has gone bad or that we won't use anymore. One for the items I was going to use up the same day. And 1 pile for the food that was going back into the fridge. So, and this is the part of the clean and declutter with me that you shouldn't imitate. The final and most satisfying step was to put the containers and all the food that I wanted to keep back into the fridge. I had to do a quick DIY to temporarily replace the glass that I had broken. It was so satisfying to see this fridge finally cleaned out and decluttered. So hubby had a clean fridge to put all the groceries in he was about to bring home. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope it gave you some inspiration and motivation to clean and declutter your own fridge. If so, please give this video a thumbs up. Please consider also hitting that subscribe button down below and leave me a comment so we can engage with each other. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe and see you next time. Bye. Adi.